Motherfucker.
I got Clay cleaning on camera. We're gonna battle the refrigerator next. Are you ready?
No, no!
Look at our refrigerator, everyone. Of course, we got Keystone.
You see the pool of soy sauce, dude?
Of course, we got some Pacifico.
And
oh my God, there's a piece of chicken just chilling on top of a pan.
look at the pool of soy sauce
We have a puddle of soy sauce
with grains.
What the hell is
What
that?
the fuck is
What
this?
is that, dude? Holy shit.
We got hot dogs? Oh shit! Where the fuck are these been?
Wait. There's a glass. There's a glass. Hold on. What is in this glass? What is that? Is that milk? It's, whatever it is, it's like frozen.
Oh shit.
Hey, we got more dishes in here.
I've been looking for this shit. Hang on, the Keystone's gotta come first.
Oh no, dude. What are you doing?
Damn.
Oh, what is that?
What the fuck is... What is this? What is that? What is that, refrigerator mold? There's an extra fucking bowl. I could have had nothing to fucking eat cereal out of. Ah!
Oh my God, what is that? Oh, what is that? What is it?
I don't know, but it stinks, dude.
Fucking stinks.
Here, we'll just put it
Put all the dishes.
Put
in
it
one
all
spot.
together.
Put it all together. We'll have Gage clean it. Oh!
Oh, dude, take a whiff, dude.
I don't even know how I could stomach that.
Does it smell like...
Oh, don't. Oh, gross. The guys are put natural spring.
Oh!
We are in condiment heaven. Nothing to eat.
The fuck? Lettuce.